Power of Python in artificial intelligence, web development, and data science. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible power of Python across three major domains: artificial intelligence AI, web development, and data science. Python has quickly become one of the most popular programming languages due to its simplicity, versatility, and the sheer power it brings to developers and businesses alike. Let's dive into each of these domains to understand how Python is reshaping the technological landscape. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python has become synonymous with AI and machine learning (ML). Here's why it stands out: ease of use and readability. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, which makes it an ideal choice for developers who are beginning their journey in AI. The less time developers spend on understanding the language, the more they can focus on solving complex AI problems. Rich ecosystem of libraries. Python boasts a robust ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that facilitate AI development. Libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and scikit-learn provide the tools necessary to build sophisticated neural networks, perform natural language processing (NLP), and implement machine learning algorithms with ease. Community and support. Python has a vibrant community that continuously contributes to its development. This active community is a significant resource for developers looking for guidance, support, and updates on the latest AI trends and technologies.
Cross-platform compatibility. Python is platform independent, meaning developers can run the same code on different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. This flexibility allows for seamless integration of AI solutions across various platforms and devices. Data handling capabilities. AI models require extensive data handling capabilities, and Python's libraries like pandas and NumPy are perfect for data manipulation, cleaning, and preprocessing. This is crucial for feeding clean and structured data into AI models to ensure accuracy and reliability.
Web development. Python is also a powerhouse in the world of web development. Here's how it excels.
Web frameworks. Python offers powerful frameworks like Django and Flask, which simplify the development of robust and scalable web applications. Django, known for its batteries included PyTorch, provides everything needed to build a full-fledged application, from handling database interactions to URL routing. Flask, on the other hand, is more minimalist and offers greater flexibility.
Rapid development. Python's simplicity and the extensive set of libraries available make the development process faster. Developers can focus more on building features and less on writing boilerplate code. This leads to shorter development cycles and quicker time to market. Versatility. Python is not limited to server-side scripting. It can be used for web scraping, automating web-related tasks, or even creating APIs to integrate with other services and platforms. Security. Python frameworks are known for their security features. For instance, Django comes with built-in protections against common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting (XSS), and cross-site request forgery (CSRF), ensuring that the web applications are secure by default. Integration with AI and ML. The integration of Python's web frameworks with AI and ML libraries allows developers to build intelligent web applications that can make predictions, classify data, or provide recommendations to users based on their behavior.
Data science.
Data science is another area where Python shines brightly. Here's why it's the language of choice for data scientists. Data manipulation and analysis. Python's libraries like pandas, NumPy, and scipy are essential for data manipulation, analysis, and scientific computing. These tools allow data scientists to work efficiently with large datasets, perform complex calculations, and analyze data trends. Visualization. Python provides powerful visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. These libraries help data scientists create stunning and insightful visualizations that can communicate data findings effectively to stakeholders and decision-makers. Machine learning and predictive analytics. As mentioned earlier, Python's AI and ML libraries are vital for data science. They enable data scientists to build predictive models that can forecast future trends, classify data, or cluster similar data points together.
Big data processing. With the advent of big data, Python has adapted well to handle massive datasets. Libraries such as Dask and PySpark provide data scientists with the tools to process and analyze big data efficiently. Statistical analysis. Python's Stats Models library is a great tool for statistical analysis, allowing data scientists to perform regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and time series analysis, among other statistical techniques.
Conclusion. In conclusion, Python's versatility and power make it a formidable tool in the realms of artificial intelligence, web development, and data science. Its ease of use, extensive libraries, and active community support make it the go-to language for developers, data scientists, and AI researchers around the world. Whether you're building a complex AI model, a dynamic web application, or analyzing data to drive business decisions, Python has you covered. If you're passionate about exploring the limitless possibilities of Python in these fields, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.